Eagles fly alone at high altitude. Eagles don't fly with sparrows, ravens, and other small birds, meaning stay away from narrow-minded people, those that bring you down. Eagles fly with eagles. There's a saying that goes like this: people you hang around will eventually determine the person you become. Keep good company.
Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Is a golden day for almost all of these students rightly here at this moment. Every moment of life is presentation, a question to talent, asking talent, are you really a talent? Are you worthy for competitive exam? Let's put your hands together for Miss Aisha.
Administration and it also handles the administration of the politics of the delegate.
Are there some limitations in delegations?
Yes, there are some limitations in delegations. Like the delegation is not authorized to do anything without permission, and they haven't given the plan is the most important task in public administration.
Evaluating the plan.
Evaluating the plan is the plan when one guess it is a strong guess before
Revising the plan.
Revising the plan is a kind of the plan when you are revising the plan that either the plan would work in time to or no. Unity of the plan is a plan which works as a unitizing force between the society.
Can you tell me something about secretary?
Yes. The secretary is handled by the ministry, and he has been given some kind of the work, and like the work in the ministry, like educational secretary and health secretary and all the secretary, they are the head of the states and they perform very
additional secretary.
Additional secretary. The additional secretary is headed by the secretary, and they work under the secretary, and they perform the assisted
Joint
work.
secretary.
Joint secretary. There are two joint secretaries that has been given under the secretary, and they perform different kinds of the work. And they perform the work under the umbrella of the secretary.
Deputy secretary.
Deputy secretary is a small level of the secretary, and they have also been given some kind of secretary.
You are preparing for Public Service Commission. Do you know about section officer?
Section officer, yes. Section officer is the officer in the city who holds all the regulations and who holds everything in the locality, and he has been given some kinds of authorities, that has been regularized by the secretary, deputy secretary, and the joint secretary.
What is administration?
The public administration is the study of the administration to care how to run the administration, how to run the machinery, and what would be the manners, what would be the conditions, what would be the principles to run the public administration. These are the study of the public administration.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some of the plans. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Some of the implementing the plan.
Implementing the plan. Implementing the plan is the most important task in public administration.
Evaluating the plan.
Evaluating the plan is the plan when one guess it is a strong guess before
Revising the plan.
Revising the plan is a kind of the plan when you are revising the plan that either the plan would work in time to or no. Unity of the plan is a plan which works as a unitizing force between the society, that either you want.
Continuity of the plan.
Continuity of the plan is that how many years your plan would be continued.
Timing of the plan.
Timing of the plan is the main authority that how much your plan would be conducted. For example, there are the different situations in the past and in present and in times to come. So the people will handle the
Suppliness of the plan.
suppliness of the plan. Suppliness of the plan is to supply data to those people who regulate the plan, who execute them.
My question goes next.
Yes.
What do you know about bureaucratic system? Bureaucracy is the biggest institution. What do you know about bureaucratic system?
The bureaucratic system is a system in which the officers and officials hold the power one who is upper ranking, they will secure the upper position, and bureaucratic and especially in Pakistan, the bureaucratics are the vertebral column.
Economy, unstable economy. Do you know what is the unstable economy?
Yes, there are the unstable economy is a condition in which there are no resources management, and the people who handle the economic department, they are failed to handle it, and this is the unstabilizing situation of the economy, and there are so many problems.
Economic conditions.
See,
Survey of the economic conditions.
there are so many surveys of the economic condition, and for example, the survey of Ayub Khan's Iraq, when the Pakistan was developing and when Pakistan was considered to be the tiger of the Asia. So it was the survey that in which the Pakistan was modernizing itself, was modernizing its
What
industries.
is the development planning? The best planning, the development planning. How can we develop a plan? Yes, please.
To develop a plan, first we have to see some of the elements, that what would be the condition and how you would run the administration, and how these plans that you are making would it work. For example, because there are the different situations. The situation which is in the America, the same situation here would be the change. Because
Colombo Plan 1951, 57.
sorry, repeat again.
Colombo Plan. What is the Colombo Plan 1951, 57?
The Colombo plan is a plan that has been given by the Colombo, and it is the plan in which he has given the rules and regulation according to which the plan would be made.
First 5-year plan.
5-year plan. The 5-year plan is the most important plan in the history of any countries, because these are the plan when any country would develop, and they
Second
would.
5-year plan.
Second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan came into plan came into implemented when there
Third
was.
5-year plan.
Third type of plan, for example, when there are the different governments and the different parties, so they all bring their own plans, and as the first.
Fifth 5-year plan.
The fifth 5-year plan was the plan in which the administration was given the importance, and it was.
Sixth 5-year plan.
Sixth 5-year plan was also focusing on the modernization of
Seventh
industries,
5-year plan.
and these all are the plans. The seventh 5-year of plan is also an important plan which focuses that how
Five-year plan.
the education and how the all problems would.
Eighth 5-year plan.
The 8 5-year plans. These are the following plans, and they are also working with the continuity.
What is your plan?
My plan is to be an officer, a CSS officer.
Time. I trust you. Should we take the current affairs? What do you know about Kartarpur Corridor?
Kartarpur corridor. Kartarpur corridor is a door between India and Pakistan, and it has been operated as a peace gesture for the Sikh community, because the Sikh community has many religious sites in Kartarpur and the Punjab side.
What do you know about CPEC?
CPEC is the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and it has been introduced in 2015, and it is a project in which there are many. It is the big project under which there are many small projects like energy projects, the railway projects, and so many air projects and other assistance that will develop the economy of Pakistan.
Global power involvement in India, Pakistan, rivalry.
The global warming is occurring.
Global powers involvement in India-Pakistan rivalry.
The global powers, the India and Pakistan, they both are trying their level best to be the global power, and so far as the India is concerned, she is using her power in the wrong way, and she is exploiting the rights of the individuals. United States of America has always tried to do its own monopoly, and it is the sole supreme, it is the superpower of the world, and it tries its level best to implement and to regulate its rule on the world. Russia is the second world's economy, and it was also the superpower of the world when there was the Soviet Union, and it was also trying
China.
to its lost status.
China.
Now the China is beating the world. China is beating the world by many ways, by technologically, by economically, and by introducing the new reforms that it is, and in times to come, according to the philosophers, according to the political philosophers, that China would hit both Russia and America, and it would be the world's most superpower country in times to come.
You are on current affairs. do you know about Pakistan's FATF blues not over yet?
FATF was made to just regulate the authorities and to see the how in the world that is there the illegal work and illegal smuggling of the money. But FATF was but it was a great plan of the India to make Pakistan to be in the FATF, and they are trying their level best to Pakistan go into the blacklist. But recently Pakistan is in the grey list and it has completed its 28 points out of the 30 points. And in times to come, Pakistan would go out of the grey list and it would be in the white list, and the countries would invest in Pakistan.
What is the policy
Like
of
they are.
policy of FATF?
The policy of when it was created, it was the neutral part. The FATF adopted the neutral policy, but with the time it has been under the influence of the most powerful countries. They who have made it, they who have found it, like America, like China, like Russia, and all other countries, and they are
Challenge to the international order.
China's challenge to the international order is the simple. China wants to get its position into the world, and she is trying its level best to remove America from its power, and it covers all the. It is not giving any spare to America to work on that. It is working from all the multi sides, like in economically it is developing, in technologically it is developing, and it is developing by all means, and it is also working to the benefit of the countries, and it is also giving gesture to the world that it is the superpower country.
Should the UN be reformed?
Yes, definitely. The UN be reformed. After the first World War, there was the League of Nations. So the League of Nations failed to solve the problems of the people. So after that, in Second World War, the UNO came into being. So the UNO's task is to make peace, is to reform, is to make peace common, and is to disperse peace, and is to data. But what it is doing nothing for the countries, and it is just giving the resolution which is just on paper base.
What do you know about Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is a territory of the China, and it is a territory of the China, and China is considering its part, but the America always involves into China's, and it gives and America considered that Hong Kong is an autonomous region of the China, so it must be dealt with that reason.